nail friends? I posted this photo on Instagram recently and asked you guys if you wanted to see how it was done. I got a lot of comments asking how it was done, so I thought I'd do just a little tutorial. So let's get started. To start this set, I'm dipping my brush in monomer and wiping off the excess. Then I'm dipping into the black acrylic, the off-white, and then into the pigment. I'm picking up a bead and placing it on the nail. This will be my cuticle bead, and it's not going to matter how it looks. Then I'm cleaning off my brush, and then I'm pushing this up into the cuticle area just to make a nice even cuticle line. I'm using Ugly Duckling number 8 brush for this, and if you see where I'm holding it right at the end there, I find I have so much control over how the cuticle looks with my grip being where it is, so I highly recommend this brush. The next bead, I'm picking up just some of the black and some of the Light Elegance Blush Pretties, and I'm placing this from one end and I'm pulling it through to the other. So it's okay if this is messy, because that's the whole point. Make sure you clean off your brush really well. Then I'm dipping it into the Beyond Pale, which is kind of an off-white, and I'm placing it along that line. Since these nails are wet, it's really easy to pull those colors through. And this is in real time, so this is how fast I do it. Just using the tip of my brush to kind of pull the colors through, and everything I do is really gentle. Now I'm dipping my brush back into the black and into this kind of bronzy gold color, and then I just continue to do that along the nail. Super easy and super simple, and gives such a nice look. Let me know down in the comment section if you like the double view of being able to see my bead pickups, because it's been requested to show that a lot, so I thought I would incorporate it into this video and see how you guys feel about it. So let me know down below. The cool thing about this kind of marble with the dark and the light is if it's too light, you can add a little bit more black and blend it in with the white, or you could add more white and blend it in with the black. You can really make this look however you want. You could change the colors completely, do a completely different color scheme, and it will turn out really cool. That's my favorite thing about marble, is every nail is different and every set turns out really neat. And that's also why I'm doing such small amounts in such thin layers, is because it keeps it nice and wet. I can really get the look I want. Now I'm going to encapsulate the set using a one ball method, so I'm just going to dip my brush into the monomer, and then pick up a bead of acrylic that's not too wet, not too dry, and then I'm just straining out a little bit of that liquid. I place the bead down, and then I instantly put my brush back into the monomer and wipe it off. And then I do fill my brush up back with monomer just so it's nice and wet and easy to maneuver this ball. So now I'm working at the cuticle area, and then I'm just dragging this down the nail. And I'm wiping off my brush anytime I feel like it's full of too much liquid. And that's how it looks so far. So now I've let that dry, and I'm just coming in to finish file with a hand file. You can debulk with an e-file if you want, but this set I did quite thin, so I didn't need to. So I go over the side walls to make them nice and pointy, and then I go over the top to make sure it's nice and even. Then I use a white buffing block to buff the nails. Then I cleanse the nails and wipe off all the dust and wash your hands. Put on whatever top coat is your favorite, give that a full cure, and that's it. That's how easy this design was. I hope this helped someone, and if it did, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your nails long and your glitter strong.